Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Be Inspired. By using this channel I am creating some educational videos for the primary kids based on the subject maths. So please share, comment and like my channel, and I am ready to take your comments. Please give your valuable suggestions in my comment section and I'll improve myself and I will give you other videos also. Turn the notification bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, what will happen? Whenever I upload a new video, you are going to get notification. So please share, like, comment my channel. Hi kids, welcome to maths class. So today we are going into new chapter, new exercise. Till now we completed all the try this, can you tell me, can you do this, all this we completed. Now we are going to start exercise. Okay, so starting with the exercise, we have fill in the blanks. So to solve this fill in the blanks, we need the Indian place value chart as well as international place value chart. So that is the reason I just done it I just done it earlier a little bit. Now what is the fill in the blank first question? 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000s? So in Indian system, 1 lakh is how many 10,000s? 100 10,000s. By seeing this, we can easily write the answer. Yes. So that is the reason I just done the place value charts first for you. So what you should do is you are going to remember the place values very carefully. So finally 1 lakh is how many thousands? How many 10,000s? We all know that 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands. But here he is asking the question 10,000s. So in 100 how many tens are there? Yes, 10 tens are there. So that is the reason. What is the answer? 10,000s are 1 lakh. Now in the same way, 1 million is equal to how many thousands? How many 100,000s? First of all, 1 million is equal to, we have answer in 10 lakhs. Lakhs, how many thousands? 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? 100 thousands. So 10 into 100 thousands. So what is the answer? 1 million 10 100 thousands. Simple na? 1 crore, how many? 10 lakhs. So we all know that 1 crore is equal to, so first of all 1 crore has how many zeros? This is the way we will write 1 crore. Now up to this you have 1 lakh. This is 1 crore and I am writing here 10 lakhs for you. Okay. So 1 crore is how many 10 lakhs. Now simple thing, just simply you go for division, you will get the answer very easily. Just strike off those many zeros, how many you have? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So what is the number left for you? Yes, 1 crore is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 second. So here for every digit, for every box you have a multiple of 10. So that is the reason. Very simple answer. That this is also 10. Now 1 crore is equal to how many millions? Here in the table it is given very clearly. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. See, if you observe here, crore to 10 millions. 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? How many lakhs in the table? Yes, 10 lakhs. Isn't it simple for you children? Yes. Now move on to the, see the second question. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. So you are going to write the numerals for this. So to write the numerals, what we are going to do, we'll just simply go for the, like this, place value chart. So first we will insert a table, then it will be easy for us. Now we will just Okay. So first we will write the place values. 10 crores, crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. So in the question what they given to us, 73 lakhs. So means no crores, 73 lakhs. And next what they given, 75,000. And next 307 means what, in tens place there is no digit. Why in tens place there is no digit? Because 307 they given, that is the reason. Now in 10 crores nothing is there because they just given 9 crores. And next 5 lakhs. So how to write 5 lakhs in 2 digits? Yes, 0, 5 because no 10 lakhs. And next what they given, 41 means what, thousands also not there, hundreds also not there, just simply they given 41. Now move on to the next. 58 millions. Okay, this one is in millions, so we will write that separately. And see if you go for even, it is in Indian system. Now we will write Indian and then we'll go for the international. Okay, 23 lakhs means what, crores and 10 crores are not there, 23 lakhs. And then next what, 30,000, 10 means hundreds is 0. Okay, now here we will write the international place values. So what is the international place values? 100 millions, 10 millions, millions, 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So what he is saying, 58 millions means what, only 2 digits, 423,000, 423,000. Next what he given, 202. So this is the way you are going to write this. I will just increase the size of each and everything, then you can see it very clearly. Okay, so this is the way you are going to write this. We can just delete this and in the same way. Okay, so this is the second question he given to us. Now move on to the third. So what is the third question he is asking? Insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So what you are going to write here, Indian number names according to the commas. First we will place commas and then we will write Indian number names. 87595762. So where we will place comma? After hundreds, after 10,000s, and then after 10 lakhs. So how to read this number? 8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. 762. Okay, the size is very small. I'll increase the size first. So this is the way you are going to write. Now in the same way, 8546283. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma. So how to read this? 85 lakhs 46,283. So what is the next question he given? 999,000,46. So place comma after hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how to read this? 99 lakhs. One second, here you missed one digit. So that is the reason you are going to get it wrong over here. So instead of 99 lakhs, you will get 9 crores 99 lakhs. 9 crores 99 lakhs 46, because no thousands, no hundreds. Yes, and this one 984,32701. So hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Again you have 9 crores 84 lakhs 32,701. So in this way you are going to write your number names in Indian system after placing commas. Yes. So stay home, stay healthy. If necessary, only come outside. Thank you for watching.